Welcome friends, in this video we are going to see table element. Let me create the file 011 underscore table.html exclamation, then tab website bootcamp table tag and save. Here as well table tag. Now let's quickly go through some of the important concepts related to table. HTML table. A table element helps to arrange data in the tabular format, that is in row and columns. The table row is defined by tr tag. A table header is defined by ts tag and normally in bold and center. The table data or cell is defined by td tag and displayed in regular and left aligned format. The td tag can contain all sort of HTML elements like text, image, list and other tables, etc. Example, here you can see I have defined a table with width 300 pixel, and on the right side you can see the table with, on the first column we have language name and on the second column we have its first release year. We can style the table with style attribute like this, where I have added border and a border collapse. I have added the border property to table, th and td tags. However, using CSS we can easily style the table like this, which we are going to see in the later lectures. Column and row span. The col span attribute can be used to make a cell span more than one column. Row span attribute can be used to make a cell span more than one row. Example, here you can see I have spanned the contact column into 2 using col span equal to 2. And in the another example, I have spanned the contact row using row span equal to 2. So both are different ways of representing the same thing. Table caption. The caption tag is used to add a caption to the table. You can see the language details caption in the right side. For the demo purpose, let's create a table tag. Type table and then tag. Inside it, let's create tr for table row. Inside it, th for table heading, and let's give the name as language and another table header as th release year. Okay. Inside the another row, let's add the data as td c language and its release year is td 1972, and another row as tr and then td javascript and another td for release year, that is 1996. Save it, and now using the live server extension, let's see the preview. Here you can see we have a very simple table. Let's quickly go with our 2-column layout. Okay. Now we can style the table using our style attribute, style, and then here border 1 pixel, solid and 222. Let's see what happened here. Okay. We can give the width as 300 pixel. Now to get the border around each of the data, we have to use style to each of them. Border 1 pixel, solid and then 222. Let's copy this, paste here, paste, paste, paste and paste. Now you can see we got the border. However, one thing is remaining is we are getting these spaces, so that can be fixed easily. Border collapse as collapse, and now we are getting a very simple table. Although these are not the recommended style, So these need to be replaced with CSS, which we will do in the later lectures. Let's get another table as col and row span. Let's create a table, and then here tr, inside it table heading name, and then table heading contact. Okay, and now inside another td with brg and another td with some number. Okay, another td with another number. So I have two numbers. Okay, now you can see, let me give the border, or let's use the style here for the time being. Okay, here how you can do is table th and then td, and just use border only. I will just try use border. Okay, and I'm just selecting these styles. Just select one time and then Control D to select similar lines, and then delete, save. Okay, so here it's the same thing, but for second table we got our proper format. Let me add the border collapse here as well, and now width as 300 pixel. You can see the second table is looking ugly because the third column doesn't have any heading. To use the same contact for the third column, we have to span the column as col span equals to 2, and then you can see we have got the heading contact for both of the numbers. Similarly, we can use the row span as, let me give the br tag and then save, and here td and brg, and another row th for contact and one number, and last row we don't have any contact, and 898989. Okay, here you can see we have some contact floating. What we can do is we can use the row span equals to 2 here, so that the contact can be used for both the numbers. The last part is table caption, and here let's copy the same thing, and we can give the caption as user details, and then you can see we got the user detail as the caption.